Today we took off Smarty's shoes and we are going to do trimming. That's barefoot trimming. Take her from the shoes and transition to barefoot. So I just want to show you. We did take off the hoofs, right, of the shoes. And now I just want to show you at the bottom here. The heels are very long and we're not on hard sole plain, and we've got a lot of false sole and prominent bars, as you can see. So that's what we have now. I did trim the other side, this side now, and I'm gonna show you what happened. There we trimmed it to hard sole plain, but see the reddish color on the bars and on the corns here on the heels. That's the pressure points caused by the shoes. So she did 100 kilometers. What was it, 2 or 3 weeks back? And that is the result in sand, soft sand, all the way. So if it was hard soil, then it was even worse. And that will cause a fallout, like they say, elimination, lameness. And that's not what you want. It's not ideal. So that's why we're going barefoot, to stay natural, that we don't have pressure points. Can I have a shoe there that we took off? So we're just gonna put her shoe, né? Okay, sit hom onderste bo. Just put it. Yeah, you see the length of the hoof is much larger, the area that she's stepping on now, than the hoof it was when we riding with the shoes. Now that's not ideal. You want a full area contact on the soil and a balanced area. Now this hoof is balanced.